Let's talk about one of nature's best-kept beauty secrets, honey. It's a treasure trove of goodness, far beyond just a sweetener for your morning tea. We're about to unlock its potential as a powerful skincare ingredient. I'm obsessed, and trust me, you will be too, once you see the incredible benefits it offers. It's not just for your tea or toast, it's so much more than a delicious treat. Honey is a skincare game-changer. It's a natural remedy that can address a multitude of skin concerns. For centuries, people have used honey for its beauty benefits, recognizing its remarkable properties, and it's time you tried it too. Discover the secrets that generations before us have already known. It's affordable, effective, and readily available. You don't need to break the bank to achieve beautiful skin, and gives you that radiant glow we all want. That healthy, lit-from-within complexion is within your reach. Forget expensive treatments. You don't need complicated procedures or pricey serums. Sometimes the simplest ingredients work wonders. Nature provides us with everything we need. Years ago, I struggled with breakouts and dull skin. I felt self-conscious and frustrated. Nothing worked. I tried countless products, each promising miraculous results, but none delivered. Until I tried honey. It was a turning point in my skincare journey. My skin felt softer, looked brighter, and my blemishes calmed down. It was a noticeable and welcome change. Honey is a natural humectant, meaning it attracts and retains moisture, drawing moisture into your skin for lasting hydration. It keeps your skin supple and dewy. It's also antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, perfect for keeping skin clear and calm. Say goodbye to redness and irritation. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or acne-prone, honey has something to offer. It's a versatile ingredient that adapts to your unique needs. In this guide, I'll show you how to use honey step by step to unlock its full potential for your most beautiful skin ever. Get ready to reveal a complexion that radiates health and vitality. We'll dive into why it works, exploring the science behind its amazing effects. And I'll share my favorite DIY honey mask recipes. These are simple, effective, and fun to make. Get ready to transform your skincare routine, the sweet and simple way. Embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you. Let's get glowing together. Join me on this journey to radiant, healthy skin. Ready? Let's dive in. The sweet secret to beautiful skin awaits. So, what makes honey so magical, so uniquely beneficial for your skin? What is it about this golden, viscous substance that has captivated skincare enthusiasts for centuries? First and foremost, it's a natural humectant, a property that sets it apart from many other skincare ingredients. It doesn't just sit on your skin, it actively pulls moisture from the air and locks it in, creating a protective barrier against dryness. Think of it as a magnet for hydration, drawing in and holding on to the water your skin craves. This process is key to keeping your skin plump, supple, and beautifully hydrated. Hydrated skin looks younger, smoother, and more radiant. When your skin is properly moisturized, fine lines appear diminished, and your complexion takes on a healthy, vibrant glow. It's the foundation for a youthful appearance. Beyond hydration, honey is also a healer, a natural remedy with a rich history of medicinal use. It boasts impressive antibacterial and anti-inflammatory powers, making it a powerful ally in the fight against skin imperfections. These properties help fight acne-causing bacteria and calm irritation, reducing redness and swelling. Got a red blemish that's causing you grief? A honey mask can soothe the affected area, reduce inflammation, and speed up the healing process, helping to minimize scarring. Furthermore, honey is packed with antioxidants, those vital molecules that combat free radical damage. These antioxidants protect your skin from the harmful effects of pollution and UV damage, two major culprits in premature aging, keeping it youthful and resilient. Antioxidants also play a crucial role in helping to repair and strengthen your skin over time, promoting healthy cell regeneration and a more robust skin barrier. And let's not forget that honey gently exfoliates. This gentle exfoliation is thanks to natural enzymes present in honey that work to remove dead skin cells from the surface of your skin. This process helps to unclog pores, even out skin tone, and reveal a brighter, more radiant complexion. It cleanses pores effectively without the need for harsh scrubs or abrasive ingredients, leaving your skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth to the touch. So, think of honey not just as a single ingredient, but as an all-in-one treatment for your skin. It's hydrating, healing, protecting, and brightening, a powerhouse of benefits packed into one natural substance. It's truly nature's answer to so many common skin concerns, offering a gentle yet effective solution for a wide range of issues. It's no wonder it's a beloved staple in beauty routines around the world, passed down through generations. Ready to unlock the secrets of honey and see how to use it in your own skincare routine? Let's get to the recipes and discover the magic for yourself. Get ready, because your skin is about to thank you profusely for this sweet treat. Time for the fun part, DIY honey masks. Here are my 3 favorites for different skin needs. First, honey and turmeric, perfect for healing and clearing breakouts. Second, honey and yogurt, a dream for brightening and deep hydration. Third, honey and oil, the ultimate glow booster for dry or tired skin. Turmeric fights inflammation and brightens scars, while honey's antibacterial power tackles blemishes. Yogurt brings gentle exfoliation and soothing probiotics, paired with honey's hydration. For the oil mask, use jojoba, almond, or olive oil. Each deeply nourishes and locks in moisture. These masks are easy to make. Just mix, apply, and glow. No fancy tools needed, just a bowl, spoon, and a few kitchen staples. Take a moment for self-care and let your skin soak up the natural goodness. Ready for step-by-step instructions? Let's get mixing. Your glow-up starts now. Let's start with my go-to for breakouts, the honey and turmeric mask. Turmeric calms redness, fights bacteria, and helps fade dark spots. Combined with honey, it's a gentle but powerful acne fighter. Mix 1 tablespoon raw honey with half a teaspoon turmeric powder in a bowl. Stir until you get a smooth, golden paste. On clean, dry skin, apply a thin layer, avoiding eyes, brows, and hairline. Leave on for 10-15 minutes. A slight tingle is normal. Rinse with lukewarm water, massaging gently for extra exfoliation. Pat dry. If you see yellow staining, wipe with a little milk or facial oil. Your skin will feel soothed, clear, and refreshed. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. It's a simple, effective way to fight blemishes naturally. Need a hydration boost? The honey and yogurt mask is your new best friend. Honey hydrates, while yogurt's lactic acid gently exfoliates and brightens. You'll need 1 tablespoon raw honey and 1 tablespoon plain, full-fat yogurt. Mix until smooth and creamy. Apply generously to clean face and neck, avoiding the eyes. The cool yogurt soothes and refreshes instantly. Leave on for 15-20 minutes to let the ingredients work their magic. Rinse with cool or lukewarm water and pat dry. Your skin will feel soft, plump, and visibly brighter. This mask is perfect for a self-care day or before a special event. Use up to 3 times a week for a lasting glow. It's like an instant facial, no spa required. Your skin will thank you with a lit-from-within radiance. Try it and see the difference. Want that dewy, glass skin glow? The honey and oil mask is your answer. Mix 1 tablespoon raw honey with 1 teaspoon of your favorite facial oil. Jojoba, almond, or olive oil all work beautifully. Stir until glossy and syrupy. On clean skin, massage the mask in with upward circular motions. Don't forget your neck and décolleté. Let it sit for 20 minutes. This is your time to relax and let the mask deeply nourish. To remove, gently wipe off with a warm, damp washcloth, then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat dry and admire your soft, plump, glowing skin. This mask is pure luxury for dry or tired skin. Use it whenever you need a serious moisture boost. The glow is real. Try it and see for yourself. Your skin will look and feel amazing. Now let's make sure you get the best results, safely. Because when it comes to skincare, safety is paramount. We want to enhance your natural beauty without causing any harm. For those battling breakouts, the honey and turmeric mask is your go-to solution. Use it once or twice a week to help calm inflammation and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Remember, consistency is key for optimal results. The honey and yogurt mask is incredibly versatile and gentle on the skin. Honey and oil masks can be used up to 3 times a week, providing deep hydration and nourishment to your skin. These masks are perfect for combating dryness and restoring a healthy, dewy complexion. To maintain the efficacy of your pre-mixed masks, store them in an airtight jar, away from water in a cool, dark place for up to 2 months. This will help prevent contamination and preserve the beneficial properties of the ingredients. Always make the honey and yogurt mask fresh, never store it. This ensures you're getting the full benefits of the active ingredients and prevents any potential bacterial growth. Before applying any new mask to your entire face, it's crucial to patch test it on a small, discreet area. Wait a full 24 hours to carefully check for any signs of irritation or allergic reaction. Redness, itching, or swelling are indicators to discontinue use. After masking, always follow with your regular moisturizer to effectively lock in hydration and maximize the benefits of the treatment. This step is essential for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. And remember, always use sunscreen during the day. especially after using exfoliating masks. Sunscreen is your best defense against sun damage and premature aging. Protect your newfound glow and keep your skin healthy by adopting these simple yet effective practices. Pay close attention to your skin's needs and adjust your routine accordingly. Skincare is not one size fits all, so what works for one person may not work for another. So, have fun experimenting with these natural masks, prioritize safety, and most importantly, enjoy your radiant results. You deserve to glow, naturally. Try these masks and let your skin shine with health and vitality. Embrace your natural beauty and let it radiate from within. Please subscribe, comment, and like.